Today Kerala lottery guessing ABC Sri Shakti SS 460 25/3/2025. Today I have to follow the ABC chance number AB 589372 and another chance number 705649 and one more 127584. BMK lottery guessing for daily. Subscribe the video for daily video. Subscribe for daily video, like, comment and comment over whatever you're thinking, thought, any comment for daily. 4-digit number 182714561928 23472576 2127 71767349 7193 9285 9374 9826 8825 7191 8324 1123 0457 092. Today's T Shakti possibility of number combination, we have to select the number is 58 is the unsold number. The unsold number may be possible to today 589372 70 5649 127584. For guessing daily lottery, for subscribe the video, subscribe, like, comment for daily. My 4-digit number also giving for daily video. The lottery guessing according to the combination number possibility of the last digit, last day number is for last day number. The last day number for win 458016. 458016. The four is the next number is 5. The 5 the rotation movement is possible to 5 means double 5 also possible. 5588 8729. These are also possible number. We have to sure number. If you want to take the sure number, not the sure number, the ensure you have to number of missing for any single digit only, single to 2 digit only missing. Today lottery guessing for BMK guessing today SS 450 Sri Shakti SS 450. The confident number is for today confident number. We have to select this today confident. Today confirm number is 2827. This digit combination. This combination number today must coming the number. Okay. 1827 1456 928. ABC, the Kerala lottery ABC. The 4-5 reference the 58 or 1-2. The 4-5 reference number is the last win for next digit of rotation for 4-5 1-2-1-3. The 4-5 is reference for 1-2-1-3-1-0. Then also for 80 means if 80 means 4797. 80 refers to 80 479487. The 16 the rotation number for 1673 43 734392. So BC CD like this coming for this number. AB for 4-5 reference. 4-5 reference for 4-5 is equal to 1-2 1-2 2-2 3-2 is coming. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. For daily recommend to upload video. Please subscribe, support us for daily analyze the video.